Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super useful way to work with multiple images at once in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to combine different photos into a single project, create a multi-layer composition, or just save time loading your assets, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly open several files as separate layers in one Photoshop document. Trust me, this is a huge time saver and opens up lots of creative possibilities. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is access a special Photoshop command called Load Files into Stack. This command isn't immediately obvious, but once you know where to find it, it's really handy. Go up to the top menu bar and click on File. Don't forget, that's where most of your document and import options live. Next, hover over Scripts. It's not just for programmers. In Photoshop, scripts are automated processes that can make your workflow much smoother. Now, from the drop-down, select Load Files into Stack. It might sound technical, but all it really means is that Photoshop is going to take a bunch of files and stack them on top of each other, each as its own layer. If you've ever felt frustrated opening each image one by one and dragging them together, this is the shortcut you've been dreaming of. Now, after you select Load Files into Stack, you'll see the Load Layers dialog box pop up. And here's where things get interesting. You have a couple of options, either Files or Folder. If your images are scattered in different locations, choose Files. But if you're super organized and have them all in one folder, go ahead and select Folder. This can make your workflow so much tidier, especially if you're working with lots of images for a montage, panorama, or even an animation sequence. To tell Photoshop which images you want, click the Browse button. This will open up your File Explorer or Finder, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac. Take your time here, navigate to where your images are stored. And here's a neat tip. If you want to select multiple images, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command S key on a Mac and click on each file you want. It's just like picking apples from a tree. Grab only the ones you want and leave the rest. Don't worry if you accidentally miss one. You can always go back and add more before moving forward. With your images selected, hit Open. You'll see your chosen files listed in the dialog box now. At this point, give things a quick double check. Are all your files there? Is anything missing? If so, just repeat the process. When you're happy with your selection, click the OK button. Now, Photoshop springs into action. Depending on how many images you asked for, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if your computer seems busy. Photoshop is creating a brand new document, and each image you chose will appear on its own individual layer. This is perfect because it lets you edit, arrange, or blend each photo separately without affecting the others. And that's it. You've now got all your images open as layers in one Photoshop document. A total game changer for collages, compositing, or any project where you need to work with multiple visuals at once. If this walkthrough helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Photoshop's layer tools, or you want to see tutorials on a different technique, leave a comment below. I love hearing your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a creative tip or shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.